the toy pack.
Hey guys, welcome to Toy Park. We're here today to review this Tomas and Friends vending machine. See, it's a very nice blue colored vending machine. I just can't wait. Let's start opening up right now and see what we got inside. See what we got is a vending machine. So let's take a look one by one. Oh, this is the vending machine. See, it has buttons here to choose what drinks we want. We can insert the coins here and press the button, and out comes the soda in here. Oh, it's also battery operated. We need to put some battery here. Oh, we got a Tomas and Friends brand name or logo. We should place it on the top of the vending machine. See? And here we got some soda. This is lemon soda. We have 3 kinds of lemon soda. We have also 3 cans of apple drink. Here we got 3 cans of orange juice. Lastly, we have another 3 cans of sports drink. From the package, we also have some coins. These coins we will insert on the vending machine. As you can see in the coins, we have Tomas and his friends sticker on the coins. And each of the coins is $10. Hey guys, it's time to play with our vending machine now. As you can see, here is yellow, green, red, and blue. We will fill the vending machine accordingly. So here is the green. We will be putting it on the green slot. The blue one here. the red one, and the yellow one. Now it's ready to sell us soda. So our friend here, Hello Kitty and Minnie, likes to buy some soda. Minnie says, I like an apple juice. So they insert a coin on the slot and press for an apple juice. Oh! Here he got an apple juice. See? So nice. Kitty said, I am thirsty. I want a sports drink. So she inserted a coin and pressed for a sports drink. Oh! It's so easy. Hope you like our games today. Bye-bye.